Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to disable always on display feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, advanced, and here you have the screen timeout time. Like if you have it set on never, that means you have the always on display, because like it never times this time its screen time never runs out or whatever. So to disable this feature, just select like after which time period your screen will turn off. I'll set it on 2 minutes, and now I have this feature turned off because like my screen won't be turned on, won't be always on, because it will turn off after 2 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.